Hi everyone, my name is BALQIS MOHAMAD RADZI, and in this video I will explain to you the sampling methods for water sample. There are three types of water sampling methods. First one is by hand, the second using the Vandon sampler, and the third one is using pole sampler. The first method is sampling using hand. The first thing, you have to rinse the bottle and the cap for 3 times to avoid cross-contamination. And dip the bottle sample below the water surface and fill the entire bottle with no head space. Make sure not to submerge the bottle at the bottom of the water body. Then cap the bottle sample in the water to avoid from contamination. The next procedure is sampling using the pole sampler. Move to the sample location with a clean glass bottle that screw cap to a pole sampler. Like in every method, rinse the bottle sample for 3 times before begin the sampling. In order to allow the water to fully fill the bottle, you have to pull the messenger cable when pole sample reach the desired depth. Then retrieve the pole and maintain upright position when detaching and screw capping the glass bottle sample. The next steps are the bottle sample will undergo the labeling and packaging procedures. Now moving on to the next procedure, I will tell you how to use the Vandon sampler. Move to the predetermined location with a pre-cleaned Vandon sampler and ensure the air vent and the drain valve are closed. Then place the bottle so that the bushing on the trip mechanism is on top of the handle. Make sure everything is assembled correctly. Then give the sampler a minimum of 3 rinses before sampling start to clean it. After passing a cable through the trip assembly hole, tie it with a knot or other fastener to prevent it from pulling back through the opening. Grasp the cable assembly spherical white ball to position the cable loop over the nearest pin on the trip assembly. Remove the stopper from the main tube's end. Then lower the Vandon sampler to the desired depth of the river and orient it sideways to allow river water to flow in. Make sure to submerge full of the Vandon sampler in the water, and do not touch the bottom of the water body to prevent it from touching the sediment at the bottom. Then drop the messenger down to the line to strike the tripping mechanism, that allowing the cables to release and stoppers to close the trapped river water inside the Vandon sampler. And then bring up it to the up and transfer the river water into the sample bottle by releasing tap at the side of the Vandon sampler. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.